Welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing the Veise VE029 Wi-Fi Smart Lever Lock, a premium smart home security solution designed for homeowners, renters, and Airbnb hosts who want convenience, reliability, and modern connectivity. Product link is in the description below. This lock is built to deliver advanced features, sleek design, and versatile usability in one package. The design is sleek and practical, featuring a satin nickel finish that blends seamlessly with modern and traditional door hardware. Veise engineered the VE029 to balance aesthetics with security, making it suitable for front doors, bedrooms, and rental properties. The lever handle design adds convenience, while the sturdy build ensures long-term reliability. Its IP65 waterproof rating makes it resistant to dust and rain, ensuring durability in everyday conditions. Performance is where this lock shines. Equipped with built-in Wi-Fi, it connects directly to your home network without requiring an additional bridge. This allows you to lock and unlock doors remotely using the Veise app or voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant. Keyless entry ensures convenience, while customizable access codes and fingerprint recognition make it easy to grant entry to family, friends, or guests. Auto-locking adds peace of mind by securing the door automatically after use. Security and usability are highlights. The VE029 features advanced encryption and secure access protocols, ensuring reliable protection. The fingerprint sensor is responsive and accurate, designed to withstand daily use. With the app, users can monitor lock status, receive notifications, and manage codes from anywhere. Its versatility makes it useful across residential and rental applications. Durability and convenience stand out. Built with Veise's trusted craftsmanship, the smart lever lock is engineered for long-term use. The blend of durability, efficiency, and sleek aesthetics makes it a smart investment for homeowners and property managers alike. Use cases are broad. For families, it delivers reliable security and convenience. For professionals, it ensures smooth workflows for managing access. For Airbnb hosts, it simplifies guest entry with code and fingerprint management. For lifestyle users, it's a stylish centerpiece for smart home integration. In summary, the Veise VE029 Wi-Fi Smart Lever Lock combines advanced connectivity, fingerprint convenience, and versatile compatibility in one package. If this review helped, please subscribe, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comments.